My security light got bad, so I decided to buy a new one for replacement. But wait, I'm an electronic slash mechanical slash woodwork slash... well, I think that's gonna be enough for now. So why then shouldn't I be one of these? Hey there guys, I am Benson Artlist, and in this video I will show you how to build a very simple security light. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, be sure to do that and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified if there's an upcoming video. So let's get started.
Welcome to Blingside!
And so guys, I headed out to the market and got myself a 3.5 inch 24 volt COB LED with a 24 volt driver. This driver has a 220 volt AC input and a 24 volt DC output. So I soldered some wires to the terminals of the LED and hooked it up to the 24 volt driver. And then I connected the AC input of the 24 volt driver to my AC outlet. And as you can see, it lights up just fine. And it's very bright. And so guys, I glued a heatsink to the back surface of the LED to reduce or control the temperature, because the LED gets quite hot, and without a heatsink it will get damaged. And it will also be better if you use a thermal paste on the surface before gluing the heatsink to the LED. So I marked out the required shape of the LED on a square plastic pipe and cut the pipe to the required shape. And then I glued the driver inside the pipe and the LED at the top of the pipe. And then I covered the two remaining holes and then screwed in a bracket to the case so that it could be hung on a wall. And so guys, as you can see, it works just fine. And it is really bright. So guys, that is how you build a very simple security light. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, be sure to do that and leave a comment. And don't forget to share and like the video. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Снег,